Now I'm gonna show you how you will get yourself onboarded and how you're gonna make this program work. If you've spoken with me already before you're watching this course, we might have already completed a few of these tasks together, but if not, if you are taking steps on your own right now, then watch through these tasks and follow me right now and complete them, right? So the first thing that you want to know, you're already familiar now with the goal, right, of what we are trying to achieve here. You want to build a group mastermind of 10-15 people. We are already aware of that, right? And I want you now to begin by completing these onboarding video tasks, so you can join our group community, get access to our weekly group calls. You have proper access to this course. You're gonna get the workbook and all these kind of things. And then after you are onboarded, you're gonna start going through these video course modules through this workbook that I'm gonna give you also access right now. And you're gonna, of course, create your offer. You're gonna start building a list. You're gonna become consistent with content client attraction and enrolling people consistently. And if you're gonna be going through this course, the only thing that I want to ask you is please be attending our weekly group coaching calls. I really want you to attend my calls here because that's where all the magic is gonna happen. I am gonna be guiding you, I'm gonna be holding you accountable, and I'm always gonna be telling you what is that next step that you need to take so you progress and so you enroll the first 3 people into your program and then more, right? And you go to 10, 15 and so on, right? Also, I want to ask you that you actually participate in our group community and in our group chat. I'm gonna give you access right now to our group community. It's like a forum where we chat, where we ask questions, where we network, and participate, please, in this community, right? Also, last point here, do the work, show up for yourself, report to me as your coach or to any of our coaches here, and you're gonna also get an accountability partner who is gonna be going through this course with you and gonna be more communicating with you more often. I will assign you that accountability partner as well. And after you go through these lessons of mine through the videos, I want you to always comment down below under the videos and let me know what you have learned and if you have any questions, right? Also, there is a video that I have for you where you can invite more of your friends into this course who you think could benefit of this coaching program as well. I am giving 40% commissions away, so if you refer anyone to this program to start working with us, I will be paying you 40% of their fee that they are paying, right? So that's a quick onboarding introduction. Now I'm gonna take you through onboarding tasks. Follow along, pause the video if you need to, and complete these tasks. Let's get started.